Hi, Barb Desautels with CIR Realty. Today I am with Junior Russell. Junior has been creating some absolutely fantastic artwork and I want to showcase his work today. So welcome, Junior.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
So I am a 19-year-old of Jamaican descent. I grew up in Calgary, Canada, and I've been making art for probably my whole life, but seriously for about maybe 5 years now.
Maybe 5 years. Okay, so you've always liked art since you were small. Okay. Mm-hmm. And what made you decide to shift now? 5 years ago, you decided to go from just kind of dabbling to doing it seriously. What made that decision for you?
I had a few teachers throughout junior high and high school that had a great influence on my art career, that made me see that this could actually be this is something fun that I actually enjoy doing. So I started to take it a little bit more seriously, and then about 3 years ago, I had an art teacher, Mr. Nielsen, that really pushed me to do this IB program in high school, and then that just turned into a few art exhibitions, and then it just kind of took off from there.
Shout out to Mr. Wilson?
Mr. Nielsen.
Mr. Nielsen. Shout out to Mr. Nielsen for encouraging you, because you've got such beautiful talent.
100%.
Yeah, so now you've got a couple of pieces here. Tell us a little bit about each piece and what inspired you to do them.
These pieces, honestly, were just a little bit of fun. Deciding to take a break from my more socio-political pieces and just have a little bit more fun and just create. And I decided to do Jordan because everybody loves Jordan. Decided it would be an easier piece to get back into just doing it for fun. And then I did the King James piece. This came to me actually I was half asleep in the middle of the night, and I was planning to do a piece, but I was oh, what if I made him have lightning eyes and showed his Laker jersey and his Cavs jersey and won and all that, and then obviously the Janaiko piece and everything. But yeah, these are mostly just for fun that I did here, just to stay creative pretty well.
Stay creative. Now, let's say the Jordan piece, how long would that have taken you?
From start to finish, design, coming up with the idea and everything. If I worked through and through, maybe about 2-3 days.
2-3 days, yeah.
About 8 hours a day.
Okay. Wow, that's still a long time.
Yeah.
8 hours a day, that's a lot of work that goes into it. Mm-hmm. And so when you do these pieces, these particular pieces that you have, these are for you, you've created them, that was your inspiration. Do you do special pieces for people if they call you up and say, hey, Junior, can you do a piece for me? Or can you come and do a family portrait or something like that? Do you do that?
Yeah, 100%. I've had a lot of people in the past come to me for commissions, and I do a lot of commissions. I accept only a few. Depending on what it is, because of time and et cetera, but I do love to do commissions and incorporate other people's ideas and stuff into my art.
Okay, awesome. And so give me an idea of what, say, the King James, for instance, what would something like that cost if somebody was to come and purchase that from you?
Because this one is one that I did for myself and kind of on my own time, I don't know how I would price it right now, but it wouldn't go for as much, just because it was just a fun piece that I did for fun pretty well. It does get more expensive when it comes to the commissions, because I am creating something that other person will love, and I take their idea and make it really come to life. So those get more expensive. It's just something that I have around. It's based on the time that I take and what I think the value of it is pretty well.
Okay. So hard to put a price tag on these ones because you did them for yourself and you did them for your love. But obviously, if somebody else wants to, get something commissioned, then that would be something completely different as far as price goes.
Pretty
Excellent.
Well.
Now, I know that you have some artwork displayed around the city. Tell us, where can people find some of your artwork right now?
So right now, I am located Shout out to the Arts Commons for having me for a second time, actually. I'm at the Arts Commons downtown in the Windows Galleries. Yeah, I'm there right now I was up in September, I believe, up until January 26th. So if you're ever downtown at the Arts Commons, I have an exhibition there going on. It's called Dear Everybody. So yeah, that's where I'm exhibited right now.
So Arts Common and your exhibition's Dear Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to go and see more of Junior's work, you can see him at Arts Common, and he'll be there until January the 26th. Now, besides Arts Common, where else can they find you?
I do have an Instagram page as well. The handle is fua.productions. And I do have 2 or 3 more galleries in the talks right now, coming up for the upcoming months, but that's a little hush-hush right now. We're still working out some details. But for now, the Arts Commons and my art page, and then keep an eye out for a few more galleries coming up around the city.
Okay. So he is an up-and-coming artist right here in Calgary. We're supporting local, so we're going to be doing a contest as well. If you would like to join, go ahead and follow Junior's handle again.
At fua.productions.
At fua.productions on Instagram, and follow him, and also follow Barb Desautels 2021 when you enter, and we're going to be giving away a piece, and that will be something that, you know, Junior can decide what he wants to create for that one. But if you want to enter the contest, go ahead, follow him on his Instagram handle, and also follow Barb Desautels 2021, and you'll be able to win one of these beautiful, well, not these pieces, but a special piece that will be created just for the contest. Again, this is Junior Russell, and he's an up-and-coming artist right here in Calgary. And remember, guys, we have such beautiful young youth talent right here in Calgary. Make sure you seek them out and support them. Thank you so much, Junior, for joining me, and this has been fantastic. And don't be shy, guys. Go ahead and see him at Arts Commons. And again, he's got a few hush-hush projects coming up, so keep on his Instagram page and you'll see those. Thanks a lot, Junior, for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
All right, take care.
Bye now.